Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make this beautiful blanket. This is the C2C granny square blanket, or corner to corner. Very easy to achieve and very quick. You just start working the C2C as a triangle, then you shape it into a square by decreasing the same square or triangle. So you start by increasing the granny stripes, then you decrease to close it into a square. I'm going to show you the details and the tutorial later on in this video. However, quick explanation, this is a small blanket. I did 50 initial rows of the triangle, so I went with the increase for 50 rows, then I decreased again, same thing, 50 rows. It is very easy to make. You just follow the tutorial, and then at the end of the video I'll give you more information about how to achieve it, the colors I have used, number of yarns and everything else. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. Okay, I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. So the chain 4 is 3 chains for the initial double crochet, and the 4th chain is where we're gonna work all the double crochet. So I'm gonna make total of 4 double crochets. 3 are gonna be the first cluster of the corner to corner granny square, and the 4th one is considered a space between the cluster and the double crochet where we're gonna work the next double crochet for the next row. You'll understand once we go further. So I've got chain 3 double crochet and another double crochet. I'm gonna chain 3, and between this double crochet, the previous one and the next one, I'm gonna work 3 double crochet. And without any space or chain 1, I'm gonna go into the last space between the chain 3 and the 3 double crochet and work another 3 double crochet. And I'm gonna add 1 more double crochet, so total of 4. Just to remember that 3 double crochet is our cluster for granny square, and the extra double crochet is where we're gonna work inside the space the next 3 double crochet. So chain 3, and in that space we created 3 double crochet. In the next space between the clusters, 3 double crochet. And in the last space after the 3 double crochet, again 3 double crochet. Oops. And we add the last double crochet for the purpose of working the next row. We're gonna continue the same exact way. Chain 3, in that space 3 double crochet, in the next space 3 double crochet, In the next space 3 double crochet, and in the last space 3 double crochet. I'll add 2 more rows so I can show you later on how we're gonna turn it into a granny corner to corner granny square, and I will not forget to add 1 more double crochet, so total of 4. So this is the corner to corner granny square looks like with the first half of the increase of the granny stripes. So I did 50 rows of granny stripes so far, and this is how it is. It looks like a shawl for now, and now I'm gonna show you the next step, which is reducing the number of granny stripes and rows until you get the square completely closed and you get the corner to corner granny square blanket. So this is how it is when you do many rows. So 50 rows, you can add more if you want it bigger, and you can do less if you want a smaller one. At the end I'm gonna share like the size, the measurement, and everything you need to know about the pattern. Also the linked pattern will be in the description box. So we'll get to the next step. So in the next row I'm gonna start the decrease. So I'm not gonna add 1 more double crochet. I'm gonna straight go with a chain 3 and turn. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet straight into the next space. And I'm gonna work a double crochet in each and every space. And the last space. And here in the last chain 3 space, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet. So this is my first row of decrease. I'm gonna continue the same. I'm gonna chain 3 and turn. So here I've got a space. I'm gonna work nothing into this space. I'm gonna go straight onto these spaces. So the beginning spaces of each row will not be worked. They will be left empty. Three double crochet. And a double crochet in the last space, like so. It's even smaller, and we continue. Chain 3, and again in this space I will work nothing. I will work 1, 2, 3 double crochet in those 3 spaces, and a double crochet in this last space, 1 double crochet. So I'm gonna continue the same way till I'm left with 1 cluster. and a double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the next space, and 3 double crochet in the next space, and a double crochet in the last space. So now I'm left with only one space to work, chain 3. See another difference with chain 3 instead of chaining 4. So 3 double crochet, and double crochet in the last space, and we finish with chain 3 and a double crochet in this space, and you fasten off. So for this blanket, as I have explained, I did 50 rows of the orange, means 50 rows of the triangle initially, or the increase, and then I started decreasing using different colors. So I have used 4 colors, the mint, teal, what do you call it, electrical blue and dark blue. So I did 1 row of each color during the decrease for 8 rows. Then I did 5 with a dark blue, then 2 with the electric color, and again the dark blue, 10 rows and 10 rows of teal, and ended with the 2 last colors. So you'll find all the color chart in the written pattern linked in the description box. As I showed you earlier, you know now how to make the increase and decrease to form it into a square, and this measures around 90 centimeters on all sides. You can make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. So if you want to make it bigger, you just need first to make more granny stripes, or the increase initially, to make the triangle. Then the decrease will follow the same number automatically. So I hope the tutorial was easy and you like the blanket and you'll try to make your own. Let me know what you think. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.